this is always a set of lectures about quick, fast, rapid prototyping. Remember, we talk about sheet, bars, and what is not available there, blocks. Whenever you build something, you want to link this bar, these sheets, and this block together. For that, you're going to have to use solutions. One of the most historical solutions that you can use is links, like that kind of link. Actually, this is electrical wire, but we could also think about simple link like that. This is historically what mankind have been using all over the ages for linking things. I'm going to show you some things that goes with the usage of these links. First, when we talk about links, we obviously have to talk about knots. So, there is actually really two kinds of knots that you could know and that you should know. The first one is the one you're using for your shoes. It's actually quite the same. There is two ways to make your shoes knots. The good way, probably I hope the one you've got using most of the time, and the bad ways. The good ways is actually the link I want you to know. You know, obviously, how to make a knot. That's a simple knot. In order to make a very resilient knot, you have to use that simple knot. And this is going under, this is going over. So the under keeps under, the over keeps over. And then you make a second knot, keeping that way to do. And here we are. You get something that is named a flat knot. That flat knot has a set of qualities that are very interesting to us. First, it's easy to remove. And second, it's extremely reliable. So that one is one of the two knots you've got to know. Let's get into the second one. The second one is named the nœud de cabestan knot. It's used in the marine most of the time. It's very easy to do, and it's one of the most incredible and reliable knots you can imagine. You have to make one loop like that, and the same loop just behind. And then you uncross them and reverse them. One loop, second loop, uncross, reverse. If I use a bar, I go like that. And then I make all that knot could appear. I should find some result like that one. That one. This is a double cabestan. It's incredibly strong. Strangely, you cannot remove it. And it's also very easy to remove, like that. So that one is going to be very useful, and we're going to use it in the next minutes. Let's do it once again. One loop, second loop behind, uncross in front. And then you can use it as a knot. And it got that kind of looks. Let's keep it there. And we're going to assemble bars using a knot like that one, and a very special way to do that has been actually going through the ages. Let's say that I want to assemble that and that, like that. What I can do is I go like that, over, like that, under, over, under, over, under, over, under, over, under. And I can do that something like 4 or 5 times. The key for that kind of assembling techniques is to have something nice. If it's parallel like that, it's nice. And if you've got a cross like that, you made a mistake. So that's good, that's bad. Once I've been doing that, I go in that plan and I do something like that. This is the way to make the link even more fastened. And each of the turns, I will hold even tersely the wire. So if I did 4, I do 4 like that. And that way, I will have an assembling that is actually a null technique, very efficient. Remember, I keep that link there, and I can do, for finishing, that famous flat knot, sorry. So I prepare a flat knot there, and that's finished, that's fastened, and it's quite efficient. Thank you for watching, and we're going to see other fastening method later on.